This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hakasngiji Rakhe dap shipo Snem ka higher secondary school Khatsawphra college Mairang haka arpau trek jeliu arhaja arpusan ka college kala Rakhe dak drama ka bekerpang ka bala tip kum ka the groundbreakers ka bala penlong ha campus jongka college. Kini ka drama ka long ru komisi benta ban penek pensa ya kiriti dustur lingba ki khana Puriskam jongki sipara ka tau kelang bat usemper ka ngot bat ka yam bat ka khana sapang uramha. Hakani kasngi laya don lang do ba FR Kharkongor IAS Principal Secretary Ketenat Arts and Culture Textile uba Ransam Sutnga Co-Chairman ke MIDC uba McDonald Marbanyang Director ke MBOS uba Elmer Thong Additional Deputy Commissioner ke East and West Khasi Hills District u Dr. B Nongrum Principal ke College ki nohikai lambat ki khana school nalor kiwe Kibla ajing kran hakani kaski kila penpau ya ka jingero baka drama the groundbreakers ka longkum umau nong rim ya ka subjing elekai drama ki khana but ki surjing rai ki nong mairang kumta ki penpau ru ya ka jing ngos kham baka sub jong ki khana kandang yai tu but kanang yai kiu saprang ha ka jing long brio man brio
Khatsawphra College for this very significant milestone. 10 years is not a small thing. So at the very outset, a warm applause and congratulations to the Khatsawphra College for having traveled 10 years. We had embarked on a journey to plant trees and, as he said, to convert Yakajabo Shakasbo. And I'm happy to hear that those plantations have now blossomed into wonderful and beautiful cherry blossoms. Just like this institution has grown from what it was to what it is now. We have heard from the remarks of Bolness that you started with only 48 students. Sapo Prangut Khatsawphra. Khatsawphra Khatsawphra. Hindra now you have more than 616 students. So it's a matter of great pride and joy that this institution has blossomed and it has provided the light of education, and it is also imparting values, cultural values. I would like to especially appreciate that wonderful musical play which we just saw just now, which was an expression of the wonderful talent that you have here in Mairang. I think all of us, we watched the entire play without not even one dull moment. It was so lively, it was so beautifully presented, and it strikes at the very heart of our culture, which is storytelling. Storytelling and folklore is part of our culture, and the values that we have been receiving from our older generation continue to this day. And the way that you have presented, I think a warm applause to Bondas Noom, Nyota, who was the director, and all the artists for a wonderful, really wonderful and memorable musical play. I was just talking to Bondas that we have to showcase this in Shillong, in Delhi, and everywhere else. And Babu, who just came in just now, and Bolness both informed me that all the artists and all the musicians are from Mairang and from around Mairang. So it is a wonderful of your of your creativity, and I think hats off to all of those who are involved, and also capturing the very essence of our culture, and also infusing the values of compassion, of humility, over and above pride and arrogance. And also these values are universal and they are eternal. I was very happy to hear that the institution is growing from strength to strength, and Khatsawphra College is emerging as one of the institutions that not only give fish to the students, but it teaches them how to fish. So that is very important. Giving you the skills, giving you the knowledge, giving you the wisdom for building your future. I was very happy to hear that the institution is growing from strength to strength, and Khatsawphra College is emerging as one of the institutions that not only give fish to the students, but it teaches them how to fish. So that is very important. Giving you the skills, giving you the knowledge, giving you the wisdom.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.